So today we're going to be making our Grillie Fillies with cheese, shredded cheese, and scrambled eggs and bacon. And we're going to try something unique today. We're going to take some leftover pasta that we had that my daughter made with oil and parsley and spaghetti, and we're going to use that as one of our Grillie Fillie fillings. And of course, our pizza dough. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make the dough for the Grillie Fillie. We use a dough that we buy at the store, pizza dough. And then what we do is we'll take this dough, we'll roll it out like so. But I roll it out to be about this thick, you can see it here. And then we'll take my cutter here, slice off a piece, and then I'll take this piece here. And I have a single cup measure, and then I put this dough into here. I take my half cup here and make a nice little ball like that. And then today we're going to be putting in the egg and bacon, so I'll take a half a cup on this. I'll put some shredded cheese in here. I'll put a half a cup in here, maybe just a little bit more to top it off. Then I will take my filling, my dough, wrap it around the filling like so, and we pinch it at the end here. I take this and I roll this like so, and I'll take my cutter and slice it, and we'll pinch this nice and tight in here so the dough covers up everything. And that is a single Grillie and Grillie Fillie, and that is ready to go and be ready to be put into the Grillie itself. Here we have a filling of spaghetti, olive oil, garlic, and parsley inside the pizza dough here. This is a new invention that we're trying today. This will be the first. Okay, our grill is preheated to just around 425, 430. Here are my Grillies. They're both filled with both the Grillies breakfast Grillie with the bacon, egg, and cheese, and then the other one is going to be the experiment we're trying today with leftover spaghetti, garlic, olive oil, and parsley. So we'll take our Grillies, we'll put each one onto the grill like so. What I like to do when I first put my Grillies on, give them a little squirt of olive oil. Then we take our grilling fork like so and rotate it and just give it a turn, make sure they tumble. And I do that in the beginning, I do that a little bit more frequently because I don't want my dough to stick to anything. And that's the trick on not getting your dough to stick to the Grillie. Add oil and turn these a little bit more frequently in the very beginning. So I'll close the lid, and then in about 7 minutes, Grillie Fillies are going to be done, but I'll be turning them periodically about every minute and until they turn golden brown. Usually takes about 7 minutes. So here's the final product. Grillie Fillies, breakfast Grillie Fillies, and a pasta Grillie Fillie, which is a total experiment today, first time ever. So this is what they look like, golden brown. Really, 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 really smells great. I wish that you could taste this right now. They are going to be sensational.